Hello viewers. This is my again a video on the major arcana. We will discuss about other major arcana card, just like a justice card. Now we will discuss about the justice card, which is card number 11. Now, let's talk about the story behind this card. The image on this card is a typically women holding a symbol of justice. She is a usually position between two pillars, representing the need of balance and duality in life. The figure typically sits or stands on a stone step. The step represents the path every person take to justice. It is not an easy one without obstacle, but the one involved are easily overcome. In the rider wet deck, she is seated and is adorned in a rich red and gold robes. A sword is held upright in one hand, representing the double-edged nature of karma. This scale of justice are in her other hand. In the glided deck, she is blindfolded to signify the pure impartial nature of justice. Her hands are outstretched to the heavens, representing a knowledge and wisdom. 11 is considered a master number in tarot numerology. It is represent a creative energy, intuition, and righteous. The justice card is a one representing logical, rational balance. It indicate a sense of peace and justice that is acquired through intellect rather than emotion. This card often appears when querents need to focus on achieving a balanced mind if they wish to come up with a fair and reasonable solution to their problems. Justice often appears when legal matters are at the play, especially those that have yet to be concluded. The card tells the querent that the eventual decision fall on the side of what is right, but does not always clarify which position that happens to be. Typically, the outcome is a favorable for the querent. The hanging man. Next card is a hanging man. Now let's talk about the hanging man card. The hanging man is typically depicted as a man suspended upside down by one leg. He does not look pointed, anguished, or even upset at the situation. In most decks, including the rider wet deck and the glider deck, his hands are not bound, and the viewer gets the impression that he could release himself at any time. As a result, he may be suspended by choice. This represented Norse with myth involving Odin, who suspended himself from the tree of life for 9 days so he could achieve enlightenment, voluntarily suffering to acquire knowledge, wisdom, and insight is commonly undertaken in many cultures to help the individual in question understand more about life, themselves, and the nature of happiness and sorrow. In tarot numerology, once you reach the number 11, the meaning becomes a bit more difficult to define. To find the correct association, you need to add the two numbers together. If you want to find the meaning of 12, you would add 1 plus 2 to get 3. The numerological association for the hanging man is therefore 3. In the context of this card, these represent growth through sacrifice and the reflection. The hanging man typically appears to the querent who feel stuck in life but they also have the power to move forward if they only examine the situation from the another point of view. Encourage the querents to approach the initial question from another angle, suggesting that there may be a way to release themselves from their current state of suffering. This card also represents self sacrifice and delay gratification. In some cases, people need to let go of certain ideas or other people in their lives if something better. Remind them that this card does not mean they need to delay satisfaction forever just for an immediate future while they work to achieve their goals. Now, death card. Now we'll discuss about the death card. Most representation of this card depict a skeleton wearing a black armor and holding a black flag featuring a white rose. The horse in the image is associated with the strength and the freedom, while the white rose represents purity and purpose. 13 is another special number in the tarot deck. Instead of adding the 3 and the 1 to make 4, 13 hold to own meaning. This is a number of change and of karmic depth. It means we need to be open to the lesson and the energy around us, lest we harm or cause injury to another. Death is one of the most misunderstood card in the deck. It does not mean the end of life. Instead, it represents the end of one phase and the start of another. This card appears to parents are who are experiencing a period of major change or transition in their lives. The card reminds us that with each ending there is another beginning. This card also reminds parents that they need to be open to change if they are to benefit from of all that life has to offer. Being open to experience is the best way to learn from our action, both positive and negative. When this card appears to parents seeking a direction, it means they need to reflect on their past and figure out what lesson they missed. Now, this card is a Tempest card and card number 14. Temperance often depict a heavenly figure, typically an angel, pouring a water from one cup into another. They represent the flow and balance necessary to sustain harmony in life. In the Rider Waite deck, there is a sun in the background and water in the foreground, representing the balance between the masculine and its feminine, as well as between logic and emotion. The glided deck emphasizes this duality a bit more, contrasting image of fire and water, as well gold and silver. The Temperance card is the 14th card in the deck. As a result, it is tarot numerology number is 5. In the case of this card represent change but also the need for balance. Temperance encourages squaring to practice moderation, patience, balance emotions. It represents successful dealing with the opposing forces. If the situation is approached with the diplomacy and balanced thought, as long as there is a harmony and compatibility, the perfect union can occur. It can also represent reconciliation and forgiveness. The card reminds parents that they need to approach life with the patience and a balanced attitude. It is important to let life happen as it happens instead of trying to force event to occur. Make sure you remind the querent to remain flexible. The universe unfold as it should. Depending on the spread, the Temperance card can mean healing. Now that's for all in this video. We will discuss about other card in other videos. So for the now rest of this, thank you so much. Please don't forget subscribe and like. Thank you.